This is the world premiere of the Toyota Land Cruiser ZX 2026, a masterpiece of pure power and unstoppable strength. Welcome to a journey where tradition meets modern innovation. You are here because you love excellence, and today, I promise, you will witness something truly extraordinary. Stay tuned as we uncover the details that make this SUV more than just a car, but a global legend reborn. First, allow me to greet you with respect and gratitude. To everyone watching, may this moment inspire you to dream bigger, to reach higher, and to believe that success is within your grasp. The Land Cruiser ZX is a symbol of resilience and ambition, just like you. Let us dive into its world, crafted for those who want to conquer roads and achieve greatness. On the outside, the Land Cruiser ZX 2026 demands attention. With its bold front grille, sculpted lines, and high-mounted LED lighting, it radiates confidence and authority. The wide stance and muscular proportions tell a story of strength, while 20-inch alloy wheels and protective skid plates ensure beauty is matched with rugged functionality. It is luxury meeting durability, designed to impress at first glance. Step inside and experience a sanctuary of comfort. The ZX interior is wrapped in premium leather, with elegant stitching and refined materials that create an atmosphere of sophistication. A large digital display keeps you connected, while wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integrate seamlessly into your lifestyle. Every detail has been crafted to make every journey first. Technology is at the heart of this SUV. The Toyota Land Cruiser ZX offers a premium JBL sound system, turning every ride into an unforgettable concert. 3-zone climate control ensures every passenger experiences comfort, while ventilated and heated seats add a touch of luxury. In this cabin, you do not just travel, you thrive with style and serenity. But power is where the Land Cruiser ZX truly shines. Under the hood, expect a powertrain built for strength and endurance, delivering immense torque and refined performance. Whether towing heavy loads, climbing steep trails, or cruising highways, this SUV adapts effortlessly. The automatic transmission ensures smooth shifts, while advanced 4x4 systems guarantee unstoppable capability in any terrain. Toyota's legendary off-road technology stands unmatched. Multi-terrain select, crawl control, and downhill assist work hand-in-hand with a 360-degree multi-terrain monitor to make challenging environments easy. From rocky paths to desert sands, from snow to mud, the Land Cruiser ZX never backs down. This is where heritage meets next-level engineering. Safety is uncompromised. The 2026 Land Cruiser ZX comes with Toyota Safety Sense, including adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, blind spot monitoring, and emergency braking. With every drive, you and your loved ones are protected by the most advanced safety features, giving you peace of mind no matter where the road leads. The price may reflect its premium nature, but value goes beyond numbers. Owning a Land Cruiser ZX is owning a legacy. It is not just a vehicle, it is a partner in your success story, built to last and destined to inspire confidence for decades. Toyota's reputation for durability and reliability ensures this SUV will remain a treasure on and off the road. Thank you for watching this premiere of the Toyota Land Cruiser ZX 2026. May your dreams of success and adventure come true, just like the unstoppable spirit of this SUV. If you enjoyed this journey, show your support with a like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more exciting reviews. Together, let us keep the passion for cars alive and unstoppable.